Buy your golf over here at the Beaver. It's Sunday. Yep. Back here on the back, this is what we call the start of the swamp run. Got to clear a piece of the swamp right here to get to the fairway, and once you get over the swamp, the fairway is still a little good piece off. Got 2 more holes back here. If you play from the blues, you would play 3 holes swamp. From the whites, you play 2. Par 5, 477. Okay, working on the 5 o'clock nose, keeping it down. If you guys are having trouble with this, maybe what I do will help you out. When I start my club back, it's low and slow. Low and slow. For some reason, that really sets me into my 5 o'clock nose. And I hope if you're having trouble, give it a shot. Just low and slow, and that alone helps your tempo in your swing. All right, 477 par 5. All right. We over the swamp, and I do believe we are in the fairway. Wind is still kicking over here. Back here, I'm kind of protected. Got woods on both sides of me right here, but we'll be breaking out of that and getting back into the wind. All right, let's go see. Yep, there we are. All right, we in the fairway. Wait a minute, no, that was dirt. Well, where are we? Where are we? Oh, no, we are not in the fairway. We are off the fairway. Too much of a little draw here. And we are in that thick grass. Oh, Lord, we needed to move this ball down the fairway. Oh, well, still going to do it. Still going to use my Diablo, my 3-wood. Going to have to maybe get down on it a little bit more because it's a little soft right here, and it is first cut, and it's pretty thick back here. All right, let's just get it up there. All right, that came out very nicely. Matter of fact, I don't know if y'all seen that JH's videos that he put out, I don't know, maybe a week or so ago. He's really bringing that club up early for a more, well, what I think more of a descending blow, and that's what I use right there, and it worked very well. And surprisingly enough, no divot. May have to check that out some more. When I seen the videos, I was just thinking that being more of a descending blow, you might end up making more divots. And being a sweeper, I try to stay away from the divots. All right, we're in the fairway. Wind in our face, that's not too bad at all. Not bad at all. Right in the middle, great. All right, so now, let's see what we think we got. Put you guys right there. Wind in our face, it says 130. Is that a 1 club, 2 club, 1 club, 2 club? I'm gonna take a 1 club. I'm gonna take an 8. Pins in the back, so I got room to mess up if I have to. 5 o'clock nose, low and slow. Ooh, come on, ball, sit down. Do believe that might have been too much club, folks. That caught it very well. And I thought the wind would help us out. I got it up high, but maybe it's not as much wind as I thought it was. So we may be chipping. If not, we may be in the woods. Oh, we are on. Okay, very good. I thought that sucker went off the back. We are on. Okay, very good, very good. All right, so we got a little birdie putt right here. Downhill. Even though these greens are moist, the Beaver's been running really nice lately. So we're gonna put it right here. Should be left to right. Right on the edge. So we didn't get our birdie, but we got us a nice par. And I normally don't do this, but right now on the back we are 1 under. Okay,